Nicholas Mkoma Mkali, Wisdom Ndoro na James Mwandondo. Mtawapa nafasi tafadhali This is who? James. Hawajaingia wengine. You'll come back on the 20th of June, 20th June. Roslyn Wanjiru? Roslyn Wanjiru? The warrant shall remain in force. 20th June for mention. Amor Omar Ali Abdulrahman. We'll mention on the 12th of June. Okay. Eh? No, let him sit. Please sit. Just hold on. I'm waiting for the file. Eh? There is something that had not been done. Let me note the appearances. Mr. Tupro.
Before I give you the forum,
Yeah.
Mr. Mogolo last week was attacking us that we had occupied the front seat.
That you're not?
Today
that you hadn't done
he
what?
had occupied the front seat.
Uh-huh.
Now today he's repenting and throwing the state back to the bench.
One of you, please give Mr. Kiprop space at the front.
Your Honor, what is not disclosing, later can confirm this.
Yeah.
When I saw he was likely going to miss seat, I confirmed it later. I even requested later. They were brought 3 seats, which they did not think were comfortable. They took here. Then those
Because give him a seat at the front because the state is the state.
Yes, that's what I was pleading with you. Ask even Mr. Mari, maybe that's what Mr. Kito, please sit here, and just refuse.
Mr. Magolo, eh?
Yes.
Do not offer Mr. Kiprop a seat that doesn't look very comfortable. Eh?
I didn't realize that. I just saw seats for seats. But particularly wanted this one occupied by Mr. Mbeta because it swings.
We have been having a debate.
Yeah.
Is it them who are senior or is it the attorney general? It's a serious issue. But that is off the cuff. You can have a seat.
Mr. Kiprop.
Thank you. Yeah.
We are here because
Oh, you wanted to be under the fire. Eh? Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, I appear on behalf of the state,
Yes.
together with Mr. Susioka
Yes.
and Mr. Singh. For the
Mr. Kiprop, Mr. Musioka, Mr. Singh.
Mr. Singh.
and also the defense.
Yes.
We have Mr. Magolo,
Yeah.
Mr. Mbeta, Mr. Wamboi Shaka,
I am in the
Mr. Osoro, I'm President John. Mr. Egesa, Mr. Koko, and Mr. Kai, together with Mr. Omari from the defense.
Anyone who has been left out? No, that is what we refer to as a battery of lawyers, eh? or an argument of lawyers. Any other appearance? The LSK? Not here today. Mr. Kiprop.
Your Honor, pursuant to your ruling delivered on the 2nd of May 2023, we appear before you for the state to give the status report on the ongoing investigation. Your Honor, this morning we filed a further affidavit.
I haven't seen an affidavit in this file. part of the record, Mr. Ombeta. Is the affidavit served upon the respondents?
Yes, yes, Your Honor, yes, out there.
Are you standing on the preliminary point?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Yes.
You know, this is a matter that you had already made a decision on the last time we were in court. I believe that is matter. And they are coming by way of an affidavit. They should seek leave of this court, first of all, to file in a further affidavit.
Mr. Umbeta,
Yes,
my view then is that
yes,
you respond after he has made his submissions.
yes.
Then you can state all that you're stating. Yeah.
What Mr. Cliff is trying to say
Yes.
that if they are allowed to argue the application, there's no application before. The question we are raising is just like appeal. Is there anything before you? So that once the court pronounces itself that there is a document before you competent to be submitted on, then they can submit.
But that can very well be part of the response. And the court will make a decision.
We are avoiding the question of content being submitted on, then we respond. We are simply seeking a procedural question. Once that procedural question is dealt with, then
Okay.
substance can be.
All right. Then raise your point, Mr. Umbeta.
Yeah, exactly. Please, then we join.
You know, we were saying that a further affidavit in a matter that has already been determined by the court cannot be extended by a further affidavit. It does not have a life of its own. So the first thing they needed to do was to seek leave of this court, which they have not done. So from the word go, you need to stop them at this particular moment. Your Honor, the application that the affidavit that is in court right now seeks to ask that the respondent here be held for a further 30 days.
And that is the problem.
Yes.
You want me to disregard that affidavit,
Yes.
yet you are referring to it. How do I do that without going into it?
Well, let us start by the issue that they do not have audience before you without seeking leave to file that.
You are to address our submission.
Hold on. Mr. Omari?
You know, to buttress that position of my learned senior Mr. Cliff
Mr. Oveta.
or Mr. Obet, courts will only issue orders specifically prayed for the law of such orders is not in affidavit. An affidavit is evidence. A notice of motion needs to be placed supported with the grounds and a supporting affidavit. The law on miscellaneous applications is anchored on the civil procedure rules. It's nowhere in the criminal procedure code. Therefore, this document is incompetent. For this purpose as a document to be presented before the court for the purpose of seeking orders. You know, secondly, the matter before you is 075 is already determined. It can only be appealed against it cannot be made a subject of review now. When the timeline set by this court has elapsed. One will review sentence.
In 1 more minute, Mr. Omari, 1 more minute. Yes. One more minute.
minute.
Yes.
You're not. One will only be allowed